Welcome to Hypno Games. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the Bowflex Select 552. Let's go! This specific one, this specific dumbbell has to track your heart rate. So, heavy. Ooh. There it is. Now, they have gauges on the side to adjust all the way up to 52 pounds. Put it on 5. It has a strap at the bottom here you want to take off. I'm not sure how to take off, but I'm guessing with this tool. It comes with an Allen wrench. Just unscrew that to the left. Alright, the screw pops out. And you'll be able to bend this open. Like so. Take that band off. This is 5 pounds. This is the gauge, which you would just twist and put to whatever weight you would like. Then you put it back. Put it up higher if you like. Go to 15. Pretty quick and adjustable. Bowflex is a really good company. They've been coming out with really great stuff. This app, now supposedly, it's supposed to check my heart rate. I don't see anything electronic on here, so I'm not so pretty sure how you do the heart rate thing. Check out the box, see what that says. Instructions about it. Nope. So this is called a restraint strap. I don't see anything. I don't see anything that has I don't see anything in here that says anything about the technology, because it's called Selecttech. I'm pretty sure it has some type of tech in it. So we're gonna just skim through this manual real quick. Nothing about this app. Huh. So I'm wondering how this even works, because like I said, it says that it has, yeah, these are just exercises. It says that it has on the app. So if you download the app, the Selecttech app, it says that it has devices on here, and it says heart rate monitor scan. So I was thinking that it tracks your heart rate or something like that, but I'm guessing I was wrong. Anyways, that is the Bowflex Selecttech 552 dumbbell. Just to let you know, when you do buy it, it only comes with one. And this is about roughly around $200 and about $200, some change. And yeah, I believe it's gonna be a great workout tool. This is like the first dumbbell I ever owned, so we're gonna see how it goes, guys. You're gonna be watching me work out with this thing on my new channel that I'm creating here, that's called Hypno Gains. So welcome to the new channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the workouts and everything I teach you with protein mix and all that stuff as I'm learning as I go along. So hope you guys enjoy the ride with me as I go on this fitness journey. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you like this review. Give a like, comment, and share if you like it. Please subscribe so you can see future videos from me. And Hypno out, guys. Thank y'all for tuning in.